Hey there, Ridgewood Roadrunners. I got another fitness activity for you to do at home. This one is called Pokemon Scavenger Hunt. So what you're going to need for this activity is you are going to need a coin. You are going to be flipping the coin and seeing if it lands on heads or tails, and I'll explain about that in a second. Second thing that you'll need, again, if you don't have a printer at home, your option is you can just write down this. This is what's called a Pokédeck. So this lets you know which Pokemon that you captured, okay, or you caught. So with that, each time that you catch a Pokemon, you are going to write that name down, and you have caught that Pokemon. How this works is in the document I sent you, there are two different sheets with the different Pokemon that look like this, okay? So for this one, I'm gonna just use this one for an example, okay? So on this sheet, you'll see that there are the different characters in Pokemon, okay? Now, next to each character you see right here, there is an exercise next to them, okay? You must do that exercise in order to have a chance to be able to catch that Pokemon, okay? So for example here, Bulbasaur is jumping jacks. Now you see here there's a number 10, a number 20, and a number 40, okay? Now in Pokemon, there are three different kinds of balls that you can use to be able to catch a Pokemon. You can use a Pokeball, which is the red and white ball. You can use the Great Ball, which is the blue and red ball, or the Ultra Ball, which is the yellow and black ball. Now for each one, in order to use that ball, you have to do the exercise. Now again, you only get one chance to try and catch it. So you have to choose if you want to use a Pokeball, a Great Pokeball, or an Ultra Pokeball, okay? Now, for this one, Jumping Jacks, I'm going to try and do Great. I'm going to try and use a Great Ball to be able to catch it. So I have to do 20 Jumping Jacks to be able to get a coin flip, okay? Now, if you do a regular Pokeball, you only get one coin flip. If you use a Great Ball, you get 3 coin flips. If you do an Ultra Ball, you get 5 coin flips. Now again, the coin flips are the opportunities to be able to catch the Pokemon, okay? So for example, if I was using the Great Ball, and I have to do 20 jumping jacks, so I would get 3 coin flips after I was done. And if it lands on heads, on any of those 3 flips, if it lands on heads on the first one, I caught the Pokemon. If it lands on tails, I have to try again to be able to try and get it to land on heads. Now, for a different Pokemon, I only chose to use a regular Pokeball because I'm like, oh, that exercise, doing that many might be too much for me, okay? I might just want to try and use a Pokeball. Now, if you flip it and you don't land on heads when you only use the Pokeball to get 1 coin flip, you have not captured that Pokemon. That Pokemon has fled, so you can't try and catch that one anymore. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to use Bulbasaur first, and I'm going to do 20 jumping jacks. Okay, so here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I chose to use a Great Ball to be able to try and catch Bulbasaur. So I'm going to do 3 coin flips, okay? So my first one landed on tails, so I get 2 more tries to try and catch this Pokemon. My second one was tails again, okay? I got 1 more try. And that one did land on heads, so on my last coin flip, I was able to catch Bulbasaur. So again, if you're not able to print these off, you can just write down on a sheet of paper your own Pokédeck and write down what the Pokemon was that you caught. Okay? I hope you guys have fun with this. We will see you next time. Bye.